This is how I'm feeling today, but most days I feel like this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy fall. I'm so happy that summer is over, but in California, that means nothing. Summer probably won't be over until late October, probably November with the way the world is going. Don't you guys love my coffee mug? I love it. I love it so much. So the reason why I bring up that mug is because it kind of goes with today's video theme. As you can see here, I got a couple of boxes. The one that I was really excited about unboxing is this one right here, this bad boy. And the other two are just some knickknacks that I got from Hot Topic. But they all kind of go together, so I just decided why not just throw it all in one video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Melissa and I am a 30-year-old wannabe YouTuber. If you don't know me very well, then you might not know what my favorite Disney movie is.
What's this? What's this? There's color everywhere. What's this? There's white things in the air. What's this? I can't believe my eyes. I must be dreaming. Wake up, Jack. This isn't fair. What is this?
When I tell you I was obsessed with this movie as a teenager, I was obsessed. I think for Christmas one year, I think I was 15 or 16, all of my friends got me Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. I had so much Jack Skellington in my bedroom, which is funny because as a kid, that movie terrified me as a child. So the fact that I became obsessed with it as a teenager and now an adult, it's pretty funny. I don't have as much nightmare stuff as I used to. I got rid of a lot of it when I grew up, but now I kind of feel like I'm reverting back to my childhood. So yeah, I want to show you guys what I got. My handy dandy scissors. So the first package we're going to open is one of two from Hot Topic. They sent it in multiple shipments. I'm not sure why. I mean, they came one day after another, but it's okay. So the first thing I got was some pajama pants. These are unisex. I got them in a size small. I actually already own Nightmare Before Christmas pajamas, but it's like the thicker fabric. It's not flannel, but it's just a thicker fabric, and I get really hot at night. I don't like sleeping with pajama pants on to begin with. They're more like just lounging pants. So these ones are really cute. They're the thinner material, and I'm really excited to wear these bad boys. So Hot Topic was having a sale. I think it was like 30% off or something. So I got a couple of these things, and then I also ordered a shirt that has Jack and Sally on it, and it says The Lovers, but it was a pre-order, so I won't be getting that until I think mid-October, which is fine. I am terrible at opening packages. It's so cute. Yay! So I got this little traveling mug. It's so cute. I have another one in storage that kind of looks like this, but I think it just has just one of Jack's face on it. It's in storage right now from when I moved back home. So super cute. Love it. The next thing that I got, they're actually gifts from my aunt, so I can't post this video until after I give them to her, just in case she watches it. She's obsessed with Hello Kitty, so look how cute! They're salt and pepper shakers. They're like a little strawberry and lemon. It's so cute. And then to stick with my theme of getting her Hello Kitty stuff, I got her this Hello Kitty mug. Is anybody else obsessed with popping these? Like, such a good stress relief. And the last thing that I got from Hot Topic was some AirPod covers. Send nudes. I thought this was so cute. I had actually gotten my best friend some ramen bowls from Urban Outfitters, and I think one said like 1-800-SEND-NUDES or something, so it's just cute. My lips are getting chapped. Look how cute this is, my little Stormtrooper Lip Balm. I got this at Target last year for Christmas. For the longest time I had no idea how to open it. I thought that it like came apart, and I was so frustrated, and then one day I looked at the bottom and I was like, wait a minute, and I started spinning it and I was like, wow, I'm so special. Last box. I'm so excited. So initially I was just gonna get one thing, and then I went in the clearance section and saw a couple other things that I wanted, but I didn't want to spend too much money, so I'm really upset because my camera just stopped recording. So we're gonna have to do this all over again. This is what I was really excited for and what I really wanted to show you guys. Ta-da! Look how pretty! So this is the Nightmare Before Christmas Tarot Deck Edition crossbody bag, and it's gorgeous. Look at the inside. How cute is that pattern? I wonder if it glows in the dark. It would be really awesome if it glowed in the dark. So this one just dropped last week. I had to snatch it up. I had like 3 people DM me on Instagram sending me the same link, like, oh my god, did you see this? I was like, instantly bought. But yeah, so cute. I haven't owned a Nightmare Before Christmas purse in over 10 years, I think. I'm definitely going to be taking that to work today. Next 2 things that I got from Loungefly were on sale, and I think one was $5 and I think the other one was like $10 or 15 maybe. This one is another obsession of mine that I have had since childhood. Dalmatians! This is so cute. I think I have a shirt with that exact same pattern. I have been obsessed with Dalmatians since I was 2 years old. My grandmother told me that when she would take me on walks around the neighborhood, there was like a family that had 2 Dalmatians, and that I would just start screaming, oh my god, they've stolen the puppies! I even made up a story, and I remember this. I made up a story in 2nd grade. We were doing show and tell or something. I made up a story. I told the kids that me and my family had 15 Dalmatian puppies at home. And the kids were like, what? You have 15 puppies? Like, I don't know what I was thinking at 7 years old. Like, but then again, like, why didn't my teacher call me out on my BS? Like, she's just sitting there, like, going along with it. Like, oh, really? You do? Like, no. And then the last thing that I got from Loungefly is this cute little backpack. I thought that this would be great if I didn't want to take my Loungefly purse or my other Loungefly backpacks that I have whenever Disneyland decides to reopen again. I would want something like that has more storage. I have a 7-year-old, and he, you know, wants me to carry his Switch and water and all this stuff, and I've always said I'm such a bad mom. Like, I don't bring snacks, I don't do this. I'm just like, okay, whatever, like, we'll eat when we get there. But I think that whenever the theme parks decide to reopen, probably just gonna start bringing our own food and, you know, just have like our refillable water bottles and stuff like that, just to be a little safer. So I thought that this backpack would be perfect. I mean, it's pretty big. It's a school backpack, so yeah, that's the whole reason why I got it. And it was on sale. And then just really quickly, I wanted to show you guys some things that I got at Target that I kind of want to DIY. So I got this squash pumpkin thing in the dollar spot section. So my idea was that I'm going to paint half of it. So it's going to be basically like my mayor mug. I'm going to paint half of his face, you know, the happy, joyful side, and then the other face, the scared, anxious side. Got this little pumpkin in the dollar spot, and I figured I could do like Jack or Sally. Probably get another one and do Jack and Sally. These are $3 each, so figured, yeah, it'll be a cute little DIY project. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching my first haul or unboxing. Let me know if you'd like to see more. I don't know how YouTubers do it, man. My floor is a mess of... So that is it for me today. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, thank you so much for supporting and watching. And just let me know if you guys want to see more of this, want to see something different, want to see me try to attempt to do, I don't know.
Front handspring, step out, round off, back handspring, step out, round off, back handspring, full twisting layout.
I'm down to try anything, so see you guys in the next one. Bye!